When you have no option but to remove an implant, you can use this EFR kit, which helps remove implant without affecting the surrounding bone. An implant removal tool should be easy and convenient to use when removing an implant. Turn the remover screw clockwise with the screwdriver included in the EFR kit to fasten the remover screw. Next, turn the remover body counterclockwise to remove the implant. First, turn right and then turn left to quickly remove the implant easily. An implant removal tool should minimize the amount of bone loss which may occur while removing the implant. EFR kit applies torque directly onto the implant, allowing the clinician to remove only the implant without affecting the surrounding bone. Since the EFR kit removes the implant by rotating it in the opposite direction of its thread, the same implant can be re-implanted immediately upon removal. An implant removal tool should be capable of removing different types of implants. The EFR kit is equipped with various types of remover screws. Clinicians can remove both OSTEM and non-OSTEM products. The EFR kit allows clinicians to remove a variety of implants, making surgery and treatment much more convenient. Use the EFR kit for quick and easy implant removal.